Today I'll be showing you what you need in your permanent wave service bag for your cosmetology exam. In no particular order, I am taking out my mock solution. I have a chemical cape inside of this bag as well. I have several towels. For this particular service, you will have to drape your client towel, cape towel. And then I have some gloves, of course, some clips, and I put extra clips just to make sure. You never know, you could easily drop something. So it's always better to have more than less. And then I also have my protective cream, my perm rods, some end papers, and some cotton to go around my perm before I apply the mock solution. So that's it for this bag. And check with your local state just to make sure that there's nothing that may be required of you with yours. I also forgot about the combs. Of course, we need the combs. So make sure that you check with your local state and align it with what I have. This is for the state of Texas. I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.